Hey everybody, Monty here, and this is How to Lose 42 Pounds, Day 12. And as you know, it's been a while since I checked in with you guys. We've had a little heat wave going on here, and I managed to get out and do some splash drills at the river. Amazing stuff. I was surprised that I was able to do it, but obviously because it was so chill, it made it a little bit easier. If you're interested, I can do a video on how to do the splash drills, but basically you go to the edge of the river, make sure you got shoes on that are good for being in the water. They're slippery rocks, about 8 inches of water, and you run upstream as fast as you can. Take large steps and splash down. Usually hitting the rocks is a little unstable, but the water splashing in around your legs helps stabilize you. But the idea is to run about 200 feet upstream, and then you get in the water and swim upstream as the river pulls you downstream back to your starting point. And then you get out and then you run up. So it's kind of like doing sprints, but it's quite a bit easier. I was surprised that I was able to do it with the weight that I have. The exciting news is in that 100-degree heat and doing the splash drills in the river, I was having a lot of fun, didn't get overheated, and I lost a couple of pounds. So the weigh-in today, 212 pounds, guys. We're on our way. Thanks again for checking in. Thanks for your support. We'll talk to you soon.